All right. So our live stream is about to begin. We already shared the screen, so let's wait for some people to join. I'm going to press pause until people start joining. All right, so I have the live stream on again. I think we're ready to start. We're only 5 people here today, but that's totally fine. It's enough to begin with. And I'm going to share the link to this document. So copy link, and I'm going to share it in the chat for you guys to check. All right, so now it's there. And now what I want you all to do is just to share your screen. Okay? So down in the bottom, you can, there's exactly, so Bharat is doing it. That's great, thank you, Bharat. So Bharat is sharing his screen. Costa is sharing the screen, great. Now we need Karoki and Victor to share the screen. And once you guys share the screen, so Victor, perfect, thank you. And once you guys share the screen, I have like a good overview of everyone's screens. And I can basically just, go switch here, see Victor, see Costa, right? So yeah, that's a good way of doing it.
I will stop sharing my screen for 1 minute to close all my tabs because I have a lot of tabs.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. So we have Victor and Bharat.
I have a doubt, like it says like feature section.
Yes.
Only hero or with the features page.
Okay, so this is okay, yeah, let's just then remove this. Just the hero. I mean, just the hero, but like I said before, if you want to go ahead and do the whole landing page, it's extra points, but I'm just looking today for good design, and the good hero section, a great hero section design is what we need,
Yeah.
Lucas, are you sure that I can share my screen? Because right now it says this will allow you to take over Victor as the main presenter.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, no, perfect. Now I see everyone's screen. Yeah, perfect. So I see Karoki's, I see Bharat, I see Victor, I see Costa. Okay. So, all right, guys. So let's just go through the challenge. The client runs a premium golf school offering expert coaching for players of all levels. Their goal is to provide structured training programs that help students improve their swing, technique, and overall game performance. So it's golf, right? The website's hero section should drive signups and showcase the school's credibility, right? Drive signups and school's credibility, like that there's trust, that you can trust the school because you can see faces. There's also different third-party tools like TrustPilot, right? That's another good rating platform that whenever I see a website that has a good TrustPilot, I'm like, okay, I trust them, So while the features page should break down the core benefits of their coaching program. So this is also why I said a features page, right? And then there's hero section requirements. So the goal is to encourage users to sign up for coaching sessions and establish trust with the audience. That's the main goal. So signing up for coaching sessions and establishing trust with the audience. So key elements: strong headline that clearly states the value proposition, right? Reinforce the unique selling points. By the way, guys, I gave you like a set of text. You can change it, like you can change some of the words, but it has to kind of mean the same thing. Subheadline: join a top-tier golf school designed to help you improve your swing strategy and confidence on the course. Call to action: sign up for coaching. Oh yeah, there's the preview video. I forgot to add that actually. Let me put that in the bottom. And for the preview video, actually, we won't be adding a video. We'll be adding like a section with a play button. You know what I mean? So it's basically like a placeholder with the image and then the overlapping with the play button. So we got that, the preview video, trust signals, so testimonials can be a good thing, logo of golf associations, right? Not logos of other brands, but logos of like certificates from golf, right? Instructor credentials, maybe they are like certified from a specific organization. I know that not all of you know a lot about golf, but it's totally fine. You just have to, do some research on that. I wrote down here PGA certified coaches. PGA is like the Professional Golf Association. So if you can find that logo, for example, that would be great. Visual elements, background image of a pro golfer in action or students training, clean, modern layout with a focus on readability and conversion. That's it. That's like the main thing, right? So, and then at the bottom I have the media and some competitors that I found. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm looking at the different screens here, and I see that, for example, Bharat is going over the document, which is great. Costa is downloading something in WeTransfer, downloading the assets. He's basically bringing the different assets into Figma. Interesting. Victor is doing the same thing. I see the WeTransfer interface, right, over here. And I'm going to increase my screen a bit. So yeah, so this is much bigger actually. So Bharat is looking at different pictures. Let me just unpin this. And so Bharat is using something called Pixabay. Interesting, Bharat. Oh, these are like, okay, golf trainings. These are like different videos. Nice. Okay, that's a really cool thing. Are these free, Bharat? Do you know about that?
Yeah, it's mostly free.
Mostly free, okay.
It has videos,
Cool.
sound effects I do from these.
That's a really cool resource, man. Thank you for using that. So yeah, you can search like a specific keyword like Unsplash or something like that, and then look for different videos to use. That's cool. And Kuroki's still looking at the document. Yeah, good. Let's just all look at that. Victor is looking at some of the competitor websites, I see. So yeah, these are all like local golf schools around my area. And these are basically the golf schools competition, right? They want to be better than that. So you guys are looking at that. Costa's organizing the content.
I got some problems with my mouse.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I have the Logitech MX, I don't know.
Okay.
And for some reason, I have like a mat on my desk.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess because of that mat, I don't have something special for my mouse, it's just that mat. And yeah, sometimes it happens that it glitches. I don't know.
Okay, so you're gonna use like your trackpad or something?
I'm on my PC, so I can use my pen, but it doesn't work very well with Figma, so I will see.
Oh, you're using your pen, like for Photoshop.
Yeah, but right now I'm still using my mouse.
Okay.
So I will try to use it in Figma.
Okay.
My pen.
Okay. Let's see how that goes. So we got Costa, Victor, Bharat, and Kuroki stopped sharing. So let's see. Yeah, let's see how you guys do. I'm interested. In the meantime, I'm just gonna let you guys work. I'm not gonna be constantly looking at your screens. But eventually I will be back here. I'm gonna go ahead and we already started, so I'm gonna put a timer, right? And I'm gonna put a timer for 50 minutes. And in 50 minutes, we can just basically add or go over what we've done, right? So I see someone with a video, I see someone with the media, I see Costa also with the media in Figma. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Framer on the side, and I'm going to create my own little golf project, right? So let me organize everything. Let's put this in my templates folder. It's also built, I'm going to build a nice little hero section for this golf company. And I'm just thinking about the layout. I know that this guy, well, there's actually a name for this golf course. Josh Gordon's Golf Academy. That's the name. JGGA. Josh Gordon's Golf Academy. So I'm going to do what I did last time, which was open Lovable. And Lovable can actually give you like a nice little inspiration of how to do this. So I'm going to get this whole prompt from here. And I'm going to go bring this into ChatGPT and say, I need you to build a prompt using in this, how would you say, let's go, let me actually go like this first and paste this and go to the top. I need you to build a prompt, a lovable prompt. Keep these guidelines in mind. And I'm just going to go to that lovable documentation, prompt documentation. I know prompt engineering. This is the one. And let's copy this and let's bring it into here. And let's go like that. So here's a lovable dev style prompt crafted for this design challenge. So prompt for lovable premium golf, page type, website, hero section, tone, confident. What this section should make the user feel. Let's just copy all of this and bring it into Lovable. I'm interested to see how this works.
I just did the same in Claude, and that's what I get.
What did you, hold on, let me see what you got.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I see your screen.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, not very convincing.
Yeah, I just copied everything, like from here to here, you know.
But maybe the what's it called? The structure might be helpful. I don't know. Oh, it's just a video. Okay.
It's just a video, sign up, watch free preview, and there is no actually headline.
Got it. Okay. Yeah, that's not very helpful. So I'm doing this in Lovable, and I'm just gonna see how this looks like. And then maybe use that as a kind of, blueprint for my Framer design, right? Because I wanted to be building in Framer. Victor's building in Framer, nice. I like that. Adding in some frames. Bharat is also has a video in Framer already that's looking really nice. It's from a tee, from the golf tee. Well, I'll let you guys do your thing. But we're all working here, which is great. And again, thank you, all of you guys, for being here. This means a lot for me. I promise that every week it's going to be better and that it's going to be worth your time to be here. I really promise that. And I'm going to be doing more marketing for this starting next week. That's actually something that I have to write down, because I did a little bit more marketing last week and more people joined. Right? So, but at least we have 4-5 people doing this, which is great. 5 people. Okay, let's go back to Lovable. Lovable is still building something, and as it builds, we wait and we kind of analyze to see what it's building. Navigation, hero, custom styles and animations, testimonials section, preview video module, styled call to action buttons, custom theme configuration. Okay. So it is building. Okay, now it's basically finishing up the build. And okay, this looks nice. And I'm going to share this with you guys so you can also share these, see these things. But basically we got something like this. I don't know if you guys can see. I mean, it's okay. It's not, the page looks great. Like the rest of the page and the colors look fantastic. But the hero section needs some work to do. It didn't really. Okay, here's the watch a free preview. I would like if it was more standing out in the hero section.
It looks interesting. I think it's using VH100.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It is using VH100. But it's interesting. Like I've been doing this Lovable, as inspiration. And this is a good example. So I have a good idea of what to build. So I'm gonna insert, and I'm gonna leave my screen running so you guys can watch that however you want. And you guys just leave your screens running. So let's go back to Lovable, and I am going to try to build this. So let's go ahead and bring frames. And by the way, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. So, okay, so let's start building this. So we need a golf class. Choose an image. By the way, these images, this golf course, this is like literally where I live. This is the neighborhood of where I live. Just a fun fact. So I'm going to put a nice little overlay here. Make it about 50%. Make it relative 100%. Relative 100. Okay. So we have that. That's great. We don't make it relative, we make it absolute. That's perfect. And now we can start adding the different text. So we're going to add text 1, which is going to be some random thing. We're going to use this one, master your golf game with elite coaching. I wonder if that's the text that I provided in the... Yeah, okay, it says master your golf game with expert coaching. I'm going to actually write that. I like that more. And we're going to put that in here, inside of this. This is going to be a z-index of 0 and this of 1. All right, and we need a good font. I'm going to choose some grotesque font. I wonder what font you guys use as well. That's actually a really, something that's...
Like always, Inter.
Like always, Inter, yeah. Probably you guys will use Inter. I'm going to use for the headline something different. I'm going to use something different because I think we deserve something different for the headline, not Inter. So I'm going to duplicate this. bring this downwards, put these into a stack and make this a text stack. So we put text and we make these bad boys set to fill. Okay, perfect. And then we make these medium aligned. And for this one, we're going to use our good friend inter for the paragraph. Inter, regular. Now I like to make it not completely white, but maybe 75%-ish. 16 pixels. Let's not make it uppercase, let's make it lowercase. And let's paste it like this. And then we need like some type of max width for this. So let's just do that. Plus max width fixed 500. Yeah, that might be good. Okay. Maybe we need something to go. Maybe this can be like at the end. That can be good, interesting. Okay, we need that video. Now I remember that I think it was Costa that made that cool video component for Framer. And I want to have something similar today. But I'll just get to that whenever that comes. And okay, so we need this. This is going to be the frame. And we need to duplicate this, make this go like that. And then we're going to put this in here. We're going to take these away with fill, and the height can be something more. 300, perfect. Left aligned for the text. We want to have a little bit of a gap. Oh, this. Content. So how are you guys doing? Let's see. I'm going to go back here and kind of spy on everyone. Okay, Bharat is building something interesting. I like it. Costa as well. I like the design that it's headed. Victor as well. Everyone's cooking. Cool, cool. I'm not going to go so deep, but let's just, nice to kind of, it's nice to view everything, right? I'm just going to pin this one and stop presenting here. Okay, this is looking cool.
Wait, are we allowed to use again external inspiration or?
Yes, use whatever you want.
Okay.
This is looking cool. I like it. And let's just spy on this one. Okay, nice, nice, great. Love how you guys are doing this. We're all like at the same level right now, so that's cool. Okay, so I'm gonna get this max width 500. No, it has to be more. Maybe 750. Yeah. Maybe no max width. Remove. And then we can give this like a nice space between. Okay. And give this some padding. Okay. And then bring this to the bottom. line to the bottom. I don't know. Let's see, like this. That looks cool. Maybe not. Okay, let's make some buttons. And let's just sign up for coaching. Make sure that this is set to fit. Add stack. Stack is going to be fit. And what I do like is the colors, right? So I'm going to get these two colors. Maybe not the yellow. I would prefer more white than yellow. But something along those lines. Can you guys hear my dog?
Yes.
Oh my god, she's so loud. Okay. Let's just ignore Lucy. And let's make this like that. Actually, I'm going to be right back, guys. Hold on, I'm going to pause the stream. All right, so sign up for coaching. And like 5 radius. Put this at the bottom. And let's adjust the spacing here. 14, okay, great. Let's make this a stack. Let's give this some gap. 30, perfect. And then, actually, I don't know if we need, let me think how we do this. I'm thinking we put like some type of form, some form builder, yeah. And I'm thinking something like this would actually be interesting. And maybe getting this, putting this like that, making the stack fit the content, making desktop fit the content, and getting this frame and making it relative 100. And set it up like this. Video. So we have 30 minutes left, guys, just for your information, right? And let's put space center. And let's get this video. Increase the size of it like this. Adjust the focal point. Like that, perfect. And gap a little bit more. Form. no padding. Okay, we're gonna have to lock this. There we go. Let's make these fill 100. There we go. And everything here set to fill, width set to fill, this set to fill. These have to be set to fill, sorry, to white. Name, email, location. Oh. Sign up for coaching. I'm gonna save this color style to green. Create. And just make everything here green. Green, green. Thank you. Perfect. Okay. So this is all green. Let's make it fit. Let's reduce the padding here in the phone. Something like that. I think also here as well. Okay. So master your game, and let's just add a absolute. Let's make it black. Make it a gradient. And let's lock this. Relative 100, relative 100. Perfect. Okay, now we want to make that play button. So insert, just click on O. Or we can just do like some okay. Let's give it some fill. White 100, or let's put like 80%. Let's remove that stroke. Actually, let's give it some radius. Let's say to all corners. And let's put it in the center. On this one we can make like really 10% or something. This we can put on the top. And we can make the radius less. Okay. All right, we are very concentrated, guys. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's get this circle. We want the circle to have a kind of like a background blur. Like that. Put it on top. And this would have to go on the top. Have to give it like a absolute position on the top. And give it a index of 2. Yeah. And maybe we can put like some quote over here. So I'm gonna go all out in this hero section. So maybe some of you are gonna do the whole page, but I'm gonna go all out in the hero section. Okay. Okay, I like some of these things that I'm seeing. All right. Cool. All right. So, we have this. I want to do like a TrustPilot thing. So how does that look like? TrustPilot review component or widget would be a good one. Okay, this would look good. Okay. Excellent, TrustPilot, great. So we can copy something like this. I'm actually gonna get one of these stars and do something. Save image. And then we just save it like that. And we open it. And then we cross our fingers to see if it's good quality. It's okay. Just gonna go like this. And bring this in here. And I'm gonna drop it down under the form. Duplicate this 5 times. Add a stack. Go like this. Trust score 4 point. Okay, let me just take it. One of these names, duplicate this, put this under the ratings. To add the stack to this. Why can't I add a stack? Okay. Add a stack. And what is a trust score? Score 4.8, 347 reviews. So I'm not going to put the form. I was thinking of putting the form already here on the hero section, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put some buttons. So I think it's going to look better like that. We can make these guys look a bit smaller. Make that That's good. And then we can add that TrustPilot logo. TrustPilot logo white. Do they have it? And they do, but it's not transparent. Okay, it is. So let's copy this. Let's paste this into here. And I wish I can crop this out. Can I? Crop, yeah, great. So I'm just gonna crop this logo out, like boom, boom, and boom, crop. Excellent. Oh. Fit. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna just make this smaller and put this on top. Put this over here. This is gonna be TrustPilot. All right, so we got that going, looking great everywhere. Okay, so I'm not gonna use this form. I'm gonna use something else. I'm gonna use buttons. So let's go back to, we have 18 minutes left, guys. 18 minutes left. And the form would look cool, but it's too much in the beginning. I'm just gonna put this over here. Yeah, and then we're gonna just delete this form. I'm gonna go into this button component because I think this one we're gonna get. And we're gonna delete this form and we're gonna add some buttons. And we're gonna make this. We're gonna go like this. And I'm thinking, what's a great call to action? So primary button. Let's add this variable plain text title. Perfect. Go back here. What's a great call to action? We can do the following. We can here and see. So I'm going to put these together into one stack, make that go like this. So that's looking good. I don't really like the background so much. Maybe we can make it. Okay, it's gonna do it to the whole thing. No. Okay, let's get this little graphic and make it smaller. There we go. And then we can add like a card to this. I don't know if this looks good or not. Okay, let's make a little card where we have also a face of someone. We can use Lumi for that. So let's put like a golfer. Who's this one? Pablo Hernandez. Fit content. We can make this the same font as this, so host grotesque. Host grotesque. Semi-bold. 100. 75. And then this can be 100. School. Okay, gonna make this bold italic and 100% and put these together into a stack and then put these together into a stack, making it left aligned, giving it some fit. Someone wants to join the call. Hello, Aris. You're a little bit late, but we are designing right now. We have 11 minutes left. And in 11 minutes, you can see what we built. Okay, let's go like this. Okay. We're gonna have to put this, let's see where the image is. Okay, the image has to be fill. Oh, this has to be the image, okay. Choose, get the golfer. And delete this. Put this. And give this some padding. Z index 2 and fit. No. Ah, okay, now I understand. Fill. There we go. And let's get this. Let's get the focal point a little bit more in the middle. So focal point, apply. Because we have 9 minutes left, guys. 9 more minutes. Okay, let's get this. Let's give this some padding. Let's make this a black background with and give it some background blur. It's hard. It's not easy to make these designs, right?
Nope.
It's a lot of thinking. So should we extend it by 5 minutes? What do you think? If yes, react with the thumbs up. If no, then don't react. Okay, Bharat says yes. How about you, Costa? What do you think?
To be honest, I'm still not gonna be finished. So
Okay, well, even with 5 more minutes, you won't have a good thing to show. I mean, I see your thing in like I'm looking at this little screens. They're very small. Actually, I should open them up. They're looking really good. So
mine.
yeah, yours looks pretty good. Who's sharing now? This is I don't know who this is. Okay, Karaoke's sharing now. Cool. Everyone's looking really interesting. Okay, let's go back here. Okay. So I'm just gonna get a frame like this. Put this in here. And choose that logo. Get that gap. Larger like that. I'm going to add 5 more minutes. And press play. So we have 7 minutes left, guys. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. All right. See how this looks like on the other screen. Okay, it's getting there. So 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes left. Just duplicate this one. PGA certified trainer. And now let's just get these, color them up to look like this. And gold. Okay. I mean, I think I'm done for mine. Nothing special, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna go check on what you guys have done. I'm interested. So we have 2 minutes, 1 minute 59. Go. I'm going to now pause myself, but you guys can keep on going for that 1 minute 50, and then we go from there. So I'm just gonna go check on the different screens. So we have I think that it would be a cool idea if the community rates the designs, right? Wouldn't that be a cool idea? Because we're not a lot of people. Nice, Victor. I like it. I'm looking at your screen. I really like it, Victor. Good stuff. And Costa, whoa, okay. Looking good, looking good. Okay. All right, we have 26 seconds left. Got a couple seconds left, so we're gonna have to start wrapping this up. Just finish your last touches. And yeah, I think it's a good idea to do this rating in the community. I think that's actually a great idea. So we're gonna do it like that. So let's just wrap things up. Let's just review everything. All right. Timer is done. Okay. So, all right, timer is done, guys. We're done with our projects. It was pretty difficult, but I think most of us did some cool stuff. So, are you guys ready? Who wants to go first? Costa?
So yeah.
Okay. So
I don't know what I created, to be honest.
okay, I'm looking.
I don't even know if I followed something from the brief. I actually tried before. I tried Claude
Yes.
AI, like I said, but
Yeah.
I tried it twice. That's what I got, so I decided to skip it and then put on my own. And yeah, that's what I came with.
Clean. I love the video on the bottom right. It's like a nice. I can totally imagine that like being played, like as a kind of background without any audio, like on a loop, you know, so that people can kind of know that it's being played and that you can click on it. You know.
Yeah.
You know, I kind of imagine it like that from the desktop view. No, it's really great. I love the clean design. I love the grading in the background that it kind of transitions. I think for my design it would something like that would also work with this gradient. Yeah, but I mean.
Yeah, I couldn't finish the mobile.
Yeah.
I just started like the last 2 minutes or so.
Yeah, no problems. So let's just keep it like that, and let's move on to the next person. Like from my side, Costa, it's amazing. You know that I'm a fan of your designs. But let's move on. So who's the next person? I'm going to go randomly to Bharat. Bharat, hello.
Hello.
How was the experience? Oh,
Man, so
okay.
it's so difficult.
It's difficult.
It's not complete. I don't know. It made the descriptions.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, just play it.
Okay. Wow. Okay. That's cool, man. That's creative. I like it. That's
Yeah, just
You were the one that last time did the button with the muscles, right?
yeah.
Okay.
I did something this time too.
Yeah, yeah, I see it, man. I really like the intro. I think the intro is fantastic. I think the intro is fantastic. I think you're a very creative person, man. Um, you can really see that with that intro that you made. It's just such a short time. You can tell that you're very, into creativity because I have like this different mentality where I have this challenge and I'm very, structured. I can kind of visualize the structure, but you kind of can visualize the emotions, which is pretty interesting. It's really good to know. Yeah, let's save that. Let's go to the next person because I'm thinking that we should um, share this in the Discord community and do like a type of poll and that the people can vote like that, right? I think that that would be a good thing instead of us voting just for people. Like it's weird. Let's go to Victor, right? Hello, Victor.
Okay, hello.
Hello.
So this is what I came up with.
Okay, okay. So you got the nav bar. Can you move that emoji thing on the top? I can't really see. Yeah. Okay, so you got the nav bar. I actually didn't even build a nav bar yet. So it's like a standard nav bar. You have the
Yeah.
you have the abbreviation on the left. So you made kind of like a
Yes,
logo.
like,
JGGA.
yeah.
Master your golf game with elite coaching. Um, okay, cool. So you have the sign up for coaching. You have trusted by over 150 golfers. That's great.
Yeah.
So something that I
So,
noticed, Victor, with
okay.
the something that I noticed is that with the pictures of the trusted by over 150 golfers, those guys don't really look like golfers.
It's just I
Yeah,
just
yeah,
took random pictures.
I know, but just like little
They
details.
just joined, so.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. So yeah, true that they just joined. Okay,
What we have found.
okay,
Then this is it. Features screen and we have a video
nice, nice.
and also an array of cards showing our features.
Yeah, yeah. So those are like the
That's
different
the
features. Perfect, perfect.
and and it is responsive.
And you made it responsive? Nice.
Yeah.
This is with the Compa library?
No, not with Compa.
Okay, okay.
I just designed it.
Okay, cool, cool, nice. Yeah, it's awesome that you made it responsive. That's great. Um, yeah, and you have the video at the bottom. That's amazing. Everyone for now has just put the video on the top. So it's cool that you put it on the bottom. All right.
Yeah.
And all right, so let's see who the next one is. Karaoke. Karaoke is the next person. Right, Karaoke is here presenting. We see your screen. Okay, all right. Okay, so JGGA Golf School, unlock your best game with elite golf coaching. I like that you put like some kids in the background. That's cool. Book your free consultation, and you have the video on the right. You didn't use any of the assets. Could you download them? Did you have a problem downloading them, Karaoke?
Yeah, sorry, didn't catch that.
The assets that the images that I provided, did you have trouble downloading them? Or was it
Oh, I mean, I didn't see them.
you didn't see them? Okay, okay. All right, that's my bad. Sorry. Okay, but it's in terms of structure, it's good. Maybe I would look into the spacing between the text, like putting the text together and then the button a little bit separate. But in all in all, the structure is good. I think my only feedback is the text, like the spacing, right? That's what I see. But it's great. And did you manage to make it like a responsive, like in tablet and
No, it's not responsive. It's not responsive.
not responsive?
No.
Okay, no problem. Nice, man. And you did this all from scratch. Did you use any component library or something like that?
All from scratch.
All from scratch. Cool. Nice, man. All right, so we got our different designs. Let me just share mine then, so you guys can see. And at the end of the, like, you guys can start posting the links to your designs here in the chat so that I can organize them and put them in a poll for the community. So let me present my screen and show you my design. So this is what I did. Very, very simple, but basically we have the title, we have the description text, we have 2 buttons, sign up for coaching or schedule a tour. We have the TrustPilot here, that maybe it would be better if it's a little bit smaller, but this is just the beginning. We have some little guarantees here at the bottom, and then we have the video with this kind of pop-up of a testimonial of a golfer, and then you can just click on this and it will basically pop up. And I've made it in these different designs: desktop, tablet, and phone, right? And if you guys are interested in getting these, I can also provide the remix link. But yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so Costa sent the Figma design. It's great. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to I'm gonna finish the design contest for now, and then I'm gonna build a poll for the Discord community and push people to vote, right? And then at the end we're gonna have like some type of leadership, and every week, we're gonna build off of that leadership leaderboard. Sorry. Does anyone have any questions?
So is that gonna be today or?
Yeah, I'm gonna post it soon, like now.
All right. Can you see my link?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, you're the only one to post it for now. Yeah, I got it. Okay. So Bharat, Victor, and Kuroki, can you guys post your preview links here, please? Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. We've closed this round. I'm going to basically share these links with the community. If you want to vote for these, you can join the community and vote for your favorite design. And yeah, if that's it from everyone else, I'm going to call this a day. And thank you all so much again for joining and taking a part of this. It was fun. It was tough, but we did it. All right, guys. Then have a wonderful day to all of you all around the world, and God bless. Bye-bye.